Hey, what's going on guys? Saad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the class selector and cascading nature of CSS. So, to begin with, I will teach you how to fill the color background. So for that to happen, I will do body. We'll call the body, and inside that, what I'm gonna pass is a background. You can see we can also add background image, but I'm gonna only use background. And I want to want something like aqua white. So you can see I can change the color by just typing this. So now what I'm gonna do one thing more. I will teach you has. So has 99. You can see it's a kind of a black. So this is, I mean, glaze. So the zero width, you know the zero width is the darkest of all. It's so dark that even you can't see it. And the 999 is the coolest of all. So this is the way it's work. If you want this type of color, you can do this. Now multi-selecting. Now I'm gonna teach you the multi-selecting, which is h1 comma h2 comma li, not lie, li. And inside that, what I'm gonna put is color. And if you want to put color something like what we call aquamarine, and when you do that, see, they are now aquamarine. And now you think, Assad, the ally has the parts page 1. So I want to change this, but not this bullets. So I'm gonna do this? So just you need to type a, and inside that just put color. And you can use something like green, something long green, that would be better. And you can, and the awesome thing about this, it's inheriting from pages to pages. I made like every pages, and it's now moving to pages. So this is the way we do. And about the cascading nature, which I'm talking about, uh, you know you can see there's only one tag, but in the page 2 there is another p tag, but you want this to be different color and this to be different. But how I'm gonna do, but in the same CSS page. So how are you gonna do this, right? So for that to happen, you type p and something like, put something called like 666. You know what the quiet? No, I think blue will be better, right? So blue. I will give some you know what we call color, and will be white. No, means also blue also look white, right? And padding, you can also give padding from left to right everywhere, so 10 pixels. And then when you do that, and check this out, you can see both of them have the same. So you don't want that, right? So for that to happen, you can give a class something like here, which is a global attribute. You can add anything to it. So when you do that, and now you can pass anything, something like secondary. And inside there, inside there you can use the tat secondary. So secondary, and the moment you did that, and the you use and you change the anything, something like background, you can something like aquamarine. No, I already use aquamarine, so I'm not gonna use that. Instead I'm gonna use from C, chocolate. When you use that, you see in the page 1 the color has changed. So this is the cascading nature, because even though it is P, it gonna change the color. If and you can put inside that like above, it is still gonna work because of its cascading nature. No, I think I mess up something. Yeah, I forgot to take this. Okay, now it's working. Yeah, so this is the way, this is the cascading nature, because you nested inside those. So for that to counter, you can use the secondary. And not only that, the class also makes you help any another, something like you want to put in the h1, you can use the class here, and you want to put there the secondary, and the moment you did that, it gonna work in the home page. See, because you only want that specific one. So this is the way it work. Hope you guys understand. This is the cascading nature. If you have any problem, just comment below in the down below in the comments. My tongue twisted. So hope you guys understand. See you guys in the next tutorial.